ஸோ வெல்கம் கைஸ். ஸோ இப்போ இன்றைக்கி மார்க்கெட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஓப்பன் இது நம்ம சேனல் தான். ஸோ மார்க்கெட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 17,600 எங்கே இருக்குது. நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ட்ரேட்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய எடுத்துருக்கோம். அதில் 2 ட்ரேட் வந்து லைக் காஸ்ட் டு காஸ்ட் பேசிஸில் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ டோட்டல் ப்ராஃபிட் 6,245. இதில் ப்ரோக்கரேஜ்லாம் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு நீங்கள் எத்தனை ட்ரேட்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய எடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ ஆவரேஜாக எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு ஒரு 5,700 கூட போகலாம். ஸோ லாஸ்ட்டு 45 மினிட்ஸ் ஸோ ஜீரோ ஹீரோ கால் அந்த மாதிரி எதை இன்றைக்கி பண்ணலான்னு பார்த்தோன்னா ரொம்ப மொமெண்டம் கம்மியாக இருக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் நீங்கள் எல்லாம் இப்போ பேஸ் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கூட உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஒரு நிமிஷங்க. ஸோ இந்த லைவ் லிங்க்குக்காக தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே. ஸோ if you see the 17,000 in 5 minutes chart, 17,600 is small support there, and overall today the market gapped up, and after that it was moving higher and higher, and no selling, but the bullish momentum also looks very tired. சொல்ல போனால் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் இன்றைக்கி ஹை 639 போயிருக்கு. இன்னும் 45 மினிட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் ஹீரோ ஜீரோ கால் லெவல் போகணுன்னா இன்றைக்கி ஹையை கிராஸ் பண்ணணும் இந்த சைடு. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா 17,600 கீழே போயிடுச்சுன்னா 600 கால் ஆப்ஷன் ஒன்று மினிமம் அதாவது ஹீரோ ஜீரோ காலுக்கு வாங்கலாம். ஸோ அதுதான் நீங்கள் எதுவும் வாங்க வேணாம். ஸோ பேங்க் நிஃப்டி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பிலோ சூப்பர் 3 மினிட்ஸ் எதாவது பயங்கர ஃப்ளாட். ஸோ இந்த ரேஞ்ச் நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்த மாதிரி இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ ஆர்எஸ்ஐ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வேறு மாதிரி. ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த இடத்துல ஆர்எஸ்ஐ பிரேக் ஆகும்போது நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்மால் புட் கிடச்சிச்சு. இதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போது இப்போ தான் மார்க்கெட் போகுது. ஓகே. ஸோ மார்க்கெட் இஸ் மூவிங் இன் ரேட். ஆனால் ஆர்எஸ்ஐ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக போகுது. எக்ஸாக்ட்லி. ஸோ ஆர்எஸ்ஐ ஸோ செல் பைக் புட் ஆப்ஷன் இயர் அண்ட் பைக் கால் ஆப்ஷன் அப்படி தான் போகுது. ஆர்எஸ்ஐ கூல் டவுன் ஆகுறதும் நல்லது தான். ஸோ வென் ஆர்எஸ்ஐ இஸ் கூல் டவுனும் a sudden up candle can come and close. Okay, so I can see this. If you see RSI is trending downwards and all candles are going up, so it's kind of a small divergence. So going call at this moment is not advisable unless it breaks today's high. So in high break ஆகிற வரைக்கும் நம்ம எதுவும் போக தேவையில்லை. அந்த மாதிரி இந்த லோ இங்கே பிரேக் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா we can have support at 550, maximum support 550, immediate support 6,000. So we can plan. If you are in profit for the day, you can take the risk, or else you can avoid. And as I said, SBI has a strong resistance around 540. So unless it crosses 540, don't go long. So if you see, I bought at 18 and sold at 18.9, but currently trading 19.4 because I exited because it hit 540, which is a strong resistance. So MRF, the result was negative. So you can see 1 sell. So if you see VIX is drastically cooling down, so which is a bullish sign. see it's drastically for past it's drastically cooling down. Maybe it can take support around this level 16 if it's continues this downward. So or else we can avoid. So magnitude, so 39,000 is the previous level. So if magnitude if comes down, it can go till 39,000. It is below super trend 2. So for futures, if we take Nifty futures, yeah, if we want it can come up to 7,570. Okay, if there's sell, see there's a negative divergence, no, maybe what I will do, see I'm already in profit, so I will 17,600 put 150 put, and then I will watch this. So if it comes to 568, then I will go. So if I buy here one lot, my maximum loss will be there, but I'm just thinking whether I want to see some confirmation. Nifty, it is clearly you can see here too you can see low. Okay, same here, so it's forming low. So maybe I will buy a put option at this level. So this is how it's currently trending. So maybe you can see, so this is the area. So if it comes to this is for bank Nifty. For Nifty, see clearly there is no momentum, so let's wait. And I need any one candle to close below super trend so that I can take this trade. See, there are only 30 minutes, so we want one candle is already close to below super trend. Let's check here. RSI should break this for entering the trade, or else buying that will not eat the premium. So wait for see, though it is closed, let's wait for the signal. So morning there see if you see RSI and see this two line, there was a breakout and same RSI. So if you had bought put, you would have bought you can sold here. Now it's RSI is in downward slope and Nifty is in upward slope. See, there's a sell off here. So if you have entered at 13, we will be around 4 rupees profit, but I'm still waiting for this level to break for getting confirmation. Or else it could act as a support and bounce back and premium will be eaten. I want RSI to close below, not it should close below. So currently it's trading at 16 and this is trading at 2. So this is my channel, a previous video, so I'm just closing it. So let's check why all options why. So when Bank Nifty, so 39,200 is a strong resistance and the 13,100. So bullish momentum is limited, like others the Nifty same 17,000. So bullish you can see 70,650 as highest to OI. So falling next is 70,600. When it comes to put result 17,600 as highest, by if like a 50 points down move no will trigger the market for another 20 points. So trending OI. So from one I say there is a small reduction in put option contracts and for put and call both. I think they are like booking profits. See, still RSI has not broken. If I have taken this put option for 13 point, I will be in profit for 3 rupees, but that's not worth for risk reward ratio. So we got it's below super trend and it might go till wave up. We need RSI confirmation too, like so that if I enter the trend, the probability will be high. So you can see exactly it's taking support this line. If RSI breaks down, maybe I will go for a quick maybe I will go for this candle should close. See, it has closed below. So what if I have drawn this line wrong? Yeah, see, I have drawn little bit, so that's the thing. Exact support. So drawing lines, trend lines are very important, and if we should draw correctly or else. Luckily we didn't enter the trade. I thought of entering, but I thought of confirming here. So last 25 minutes. So if you want hero or zero call, then the RSI should break this channel. This channel for bull move, this channel for a bear move. This is for Nifty. Why I am insisting with is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also should close about this. So RSI close about this channel, no, we can go long in Bank Nifty. See, actually we could have bought a call option because this is support. Okay, now it has potential to go till 626 something, but the probability would be less. So 38,000, let's close all this. 650 call option, 600 put option. This is these are all monthly. So Bank Nifty 39,100. Okay, see, look, exactly it took support here. So always no, if we see the trend line, it almost this candle broken. So but RSI was not broken. So if you had gone long, then we would have like struck. If you bought next week expiry, then it's fine. If it's today's expiry, if you're looking for some quick bucks, then you would have lost. So always make sure when before entering trade, I always prefer RSI. Okay, it works most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time. So we can have this as, and if you see there is a divergence in RSI. Maybe I will for longer time frame. It's in overbought zone. So one day maybe 15 minutes. So 15 minutes also this one. If you have bought 17,600 call here, you would have made some 10 rupees. See this, I think this BWAP will act as resistance for this particular option price. So anything above this can go to 30 the super trend, but this definitely will act as strong resistance. After moving that, it will be just 5 rupees the super trend resistance. If we come to put option, if it moves, it can move to 30. If there is a breakdown, so that's it. So this is how today. So today is if like there was few momentum in the morning. This area there was a momentum. After that, it was just range bound. Similarly for Bank Nifty. See, this can close above. If you have went long, you would have got a profit here. After that, range bound, a small range breakout, and it's download range bound. So now RSI is going to touch here. Okay. So currently it's 13,000. Put option. So if I can buy a put option here now, it can go up to 50. At least at 50 we can have 9 rupees target, but let's check RSI. So RSI is in resistance. But Nifty can move up still, so which can pull Bank Nifty. So let's wait. See a small breakout kind of thing given. Let's wait. And the options have broken the support, this premium. So let's wait here. Maybe I will. If I buy also, I will get maximum 10 to 12 rupees for 200 to 250 rupees. Okay, I'm already in good profit, so I can take some risk. But Nifty is should come here, and it should show resistance. So till that time, maybe what we can do, I will try to buy next week. Next week buy it can go up to 10 rupees, but the risk is very less since it is next week expiry. So this channel is acting as resistance. See, Just put up there and become 56. Like if you bought at this resistance or on 38, you have got 14 rupees in quick time. For risky bets you can take it. See, it's clearly in range, and there's only 30 minutes left. Maybe when this channel breaks edge of the side, there will be a quick 50 points move, but since the time is very less, the option writers will not let it go. See, it's a clear range bound for Nifty. So if you bought any like at this range at 40, we will be in almost 50% profit. So if I have like bought for 25 in 750, I will be in 300 profit. So this is how till 330 mostly it should play like this. See, it's 76, and this will act as a resistance. Maybe what I will do. See, it clearly acts as a resistance. So pattern. So this is how so buy here, sell here, because RSA2 is RSA also is saying the same Bank Nifty unless it breaks the upper one or lower one. Okay, we are just follow it. Okay, till this. So but Nifty has yet to go for resistance. But Bank Nifty is also it is very congested. Okay, so any breakout or breakdown will be only 25 minutes are there. If there is something happens, then it will be a quick one. So if it breaks down, my first stop will be 38,976. Okay, if not, then it will be this area. Maximum it will be 38,000, which is less likely to happen. So if you want 39,000 call option, so let's go for Bank Nifty 1000 call option. So 58. So these are two strike price. We can just watch. See, and if you want to go by call, that is call. Let market comes here. This RSA comes here. So this you can draw one line here. So we can check whether this is this. So let's wait for clear signal. See, this is a congested zone. Bank Nifty. See, if you bought call at 58, it will be 10 rupees profit. So this channel is playing out, and I don't think Unless there's a breakout in RSI, it will be a chop market. Then the call is rising now. If we see a put, let's check. See, there's small breakout in this channel, but let's wait for the candle close. See, it's not getting close. Maybe we can use 1 minute candle. So anything around 30. If this RSI is not closing above this, we can buy that for a quick 10 to 15 rupees profit. So let's wait. I think this is 5 minutes. This is also 5 minutes. So last 20 minutes. So be careful when you are going to enter a new trade. Even though it's next week options, let's wait till 325. Then we can plan the trade. So till then you can just enjoy if you are in profits. So if you are in loss, don't divide trade. So there is always another day. So next is, see, as said, so if you have bought this around, maybe it didn't come this level, but no, it's now 50. So this is how it's playing. If we see, if we thought this gap is there, RSI is very congested, but RSI closing about this, then we can expect 39,100 in a quick time. If not, then it will be an error. See, Nifty is just slightly turning. Say, I will buy call when market comes here. Like, we can buy call. So for me, I am done for the day. So I'm not going to take any fresh trades. So I want to go home happily. But I can test. But I have some amount. If I can take risk around 1,000, for example, this if I'm going to buy it around 40, it will be my 1,000. I have space to lose 1,000, but still I will wait. If there is only 20 minutes, let's wait. So this is not Bank Nifty, it's Nifty, and this is Bank Nifty. So Nifty, you can see that strong selling, and Bank Nifty too. So I can try. Maybe I will show you on trade. If this is not breaking out, we can go for call. But see, I don't want that. See, this range broke down and went quickly in like in 10 minutes. It from 30 to it went almost 90 points, but after that it was just a rebound. So there is no clear momentum. Maybe see today also the gap up was overnight. So tomorrow also, if there is bullish, then it should be gap up. Then chop till it crosses budget day high, which is around 17,780. So you can keep it around 17,800. For Bank Nifty, it will be 39,800. So that's the thing. See, there's a big candle, but we should always wait for the candle to close. And we can check whether RSI is going to close below this line. If it's not, so if it's closing below this line, I'm not going to buy call, and I'm not going to buy put too. Plus put is already it went. So this is the line. So RSI has given a small breakdown, but we should wait for the candle to close. If then you can expect it like 50 points, not more than that. So this will be a support, but I will not buy call here. So all RSI has already broken the channel. So I think the candle has closed. So I'm not going to buy call here. But if you had bought put, that would be a super duper. What put say that would be a super duper profit. Maybe if you have entered 40, it will be almost double. See, this is the support, and support is also getting broken, but let's wait for the candle close. Nifty is still the support is not broken. So Nifty is 17,600 call option is not advisable. It's 11 rupees. See, I don't know still. Though Nifty is not broken, but so Nifty is slightly taking support. So that see, Bank Nifty exactly took support here. So I told if you are short, this should be a stop loss. So will it move higher? If Nifty comes this channel, this should be a resistance again. Okay, or this channel, or this exactly this should be a resistance. Because RSI broken its channel, so don't buy call, checking as reversal. So this will be your support, but Nifty is strong. So Nifty is like Nifty didn't break the channel. Okay. So that's the thing. Bank Nifty closing about this, we can expect 39,100, but very little time left. So don't create any positions. Maybe what we can do, we can check for daily whether we can see you guys mostly will use OA Pulse as me. So let's say mostly it should say call option, but let's wait. I told exactly this will act as a resistance, and it's there. and unless market breaks this channel, so it will be a premium meeting. See, it went up to Vitani, and see, if you see why it fell from here, this is resistance. See, if you see option resistance was this. So most people would have returned in this price more than 100. So they will not allow to close it above 100. So they, if it reaches also, it comes back. As in the Mag Nifty, see, it's not this, so it's broken RSI, it's not moving up, and this exactly this is acting as a resistance. So for the Nifty, that's same. So I think that's it. So please don't buy any new positions for this week expiry. If you think of carry forwarding, so if you see daily, we see Bank Nifty futures daily. Here normally the first resistance will be 39,300. So hourly chart, everything is good. Open for Nifty. Only hourly chart showing a little overbought in money flow index. So whenever money flow index is overbought, we should not think like, see, unless this level breaks, it is positive. So if you can draw a trend line here, and if it breaks, it's it really small pullback, not a reversal, small pullback. So Nifty, I think Nifty might close around 17,600 and Bank Nifty around 39,000. So also we should see the last 30 minutes weighted average price. See, Bank Nifty is stuck in the SA, so no entry. So if you ask for individual stocks, I think SBI is in strong resistance, that is 540. Okay, 540. If it's gap up around 545, 550 will be a first resistance, and we can buy put or call based on that. So we should wait for today. So today, if we see, it went through 543, but the 540 option writers have brought down back. See, most of the premiums are okay. Nifty is, if it's dropped below here, this will be a support. I think this here it would take that support RSI, but if there's no premium left for buying, so they are just eating this 6,000 call option premium. So yes, they have brought a little down. So let's check 320 strategy. And oh, it's a put. This is technically a overnight put option. So that's interesting. Sorry. Daily candle. So daily candle, so it should cross today's high for strong momentum for Bank Nifty, and for same Nifty should cross 17,006 today's high, and this 678. You can see this level, and about budget day high, that is 7,800. Next stop is 18,300. So this, see, it looks like, if you notice, I don't know whether it will form or not. Yeah, see, I don't have free press. A small head and shoulder pattern. So it looks like a small head and shoulder pattern. So breaking of neckline. So 16,740, or you can make this. So this. So this level is important. So we should this head and shoulder should fail if a Nifty is closing above this level 17. That is budget day high. So budget day high is a key level. So let's wait. So make sure. Whereas for there is no head and shoulders, but it's just this pattern. So if you see the RSI 2, so breaking below this is a sell, and if you see a small divergence here, if you see in daily Bank Nifty there is a small divergence. RSI is slightly forming higher higher lows. It's higher here, so be careful. So budget day high, till that it will be range bound. Don't be too aggressive long or too aggressive on longs. Okay, so wait till budget day high cross, then you can go aggressively long, or else just watch out and play intraday. See, Bank Nifty and Nifty last month small fall. See, when the premiums are not, there's not much premium left for. So see, there's a overbought zone. If you see here, 1 hour candle, there's a clear long candle, but we should wait for the candle. So even option 320 studies showing put, so don't carry any longs. Okay, we will get under the don't carry any longs. So clearly don't carry any longs. See, it RSI overbought and it's returning. So please don't get, and see, some it also looks Bank Nifty slightly see in this channel. So this is hourly channel. If you see, this is the channel. So if it moves high also, it can go up to 39,544. Okay, which is which will come, which if we increase that, it will come around here. So which is also near close to budget day high. So budget day high is the key level. So if you draw a trend line here, same. So make sure so this will be a support in downside 17,400 to 350. So that's it, guys. Almost today there's nothing. It broke. It almost broken here at 3:20. So nothing is left. So bye. So don't carry any longs. So if you want to carry, no, if you want to carry anything, then carry put option, because RSI is overbought. Even your 320 strategy is showing the same. And always follow one lot strategy for initial days. If you have high capital, then no issues. If you are low capital, you can go for one lot strategy. So that's okay. Okay, thanks all. We can